What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel, Eat with Coral Blush. Let me make it down. Hi, well, I've done a poll guys. It was either butter chicken. This is the Iceland's butter chicken. I'll put a picture of it here. Comes frozen. I've just made some basmati rice to go with it. I got these from Aldi, put them in my freezer, and then I put them in the oven and they're like rock hard. But anyway, when I was in Heron as well the other day, I seen these. I've never seen them before. Warburton soft naan breads. You know, like the sandwich thins, but the naan breads. So I knew I was going to be doing a curry soon, so that's what them look like. Nice and soft, so we'll give them a try. And I've got me Coke. But yeah, I've done a poll. It was either butter chicken or I've got them packs of shredded duck with pancakes and stuff. And the salt and pepper chicken, spring rolls and the prawn toast. So I'll do that video as well at some point. Last day at work and school today. Off for 2 weeks guys. Get in. Who's got anything planned for Easter? Tomorrow is Good Friday, man. Right, I've had this butter chicken before and we'll love it. It's really nice. Get a piece of that chicken. Nice and steamy. They just go in the microwave. You can't do them in the oven, but they take like nearly an hour or something, or over an hour. I'm not sure, but microwave just like 8 minutes I think they took. Mmm. The chicken's really nice chicken as well. It's not like what you would call like a cheapy chicken in a ready meal. Nice and chunky. Nice, aren't they? Kind of haven't had one of them for ages. Oh, a bit of green in it, like, which I don't like, because it's probably coriander. Mmm. Look at that, man. There's got plenty in them. Plenty chicken. Been ready for this, guys. I just had a few fries at work today. So I'm starving. Mmm. What you having for tea tonight? I've been up to Newcastle 2 nights off the trot to try and get something to wear, something new to wear. Both times come home empty handed, but the boys got nice clothes and Kenny got a nice new hoodie. So if I do go out, I'm just going to have to pull something out of my wardrobe. Can't be helped. There's just nothing that, well, there is plenty of stuff, but nothing I would wear. Like for instance, them really wide leg trousers. Nah, not for me. And people who wear them really do suit them. I'm not saying like they look stupid in them, but I just look stupid in them. Can't get away with them. And there's like loads of jumpers still. It's like in between seasons still, and there's nothing. Gorgeous this. And I literally went everywhere. Obviously I went to Primark, New Look, had a look at All Saints. Phoenix has got multiple brands in. River Island. Had a look in Hollister. Next, nothing. Got plenty like, probably like casual kind of stuff, like, because I still am needing new tops, but I wanted something a bit nicer to wear with we're going out. This is really nice. Just gonna mash all my rice in with it. Highly recommend these, like, they're really nice. Can't remember how much they are, but I'll put it on now once I edit and find out. Maybe just £2. Once you make a bit basmati, you can get a big pack of basmati and just make a quarter of it. Watch. That's how hard it is. We'll give it a try anyway. Nice and crunchy for you. Still tastes nice. Wonder what the weather's going to be like tomorrow.
14, 15, sunny.
Well, that's okay. It's been lovely, like walking home from, well, Alice took us along, coming home from school, like walking, sorry, it would have been after work. It was really nice and sunny, like in the sun, it was beaming down on you, but once you were in the shade, it was freezing. Can't believe I'm off for 2 weeks. Actually, like how crisp that is. It's a garlic naan. For how much these are, you enjoy them just as much as a real takeaway. Pardon me. You get plenty chicken in them and they're lovely big chunks. I can taste like, I think it's a cashew nut as well. God. Oscar was non-uniform today and Spencer got a really early finish from school, I was dead excited though to wear his new body warmer I got. He thought he looked lush. He did like, but he knew he did. Wow. I'm getting so full. Better give one of these a whirl. I haven't tried this yet. Nice and soft. I don't know if you meant to like use them like a sandwich or what, but they do proper taste like a naan bread. There you go, guys. I'm absolutely stuffed. Let's a bit more rice for this. This is my last bite. Really, really nice this. But yeah, I'll do the oh, as well, I'll go through me little, when I was at the town, I went to that Hiyu Asian supermarket. I'll take you through what I bought from there, because I bought a load of stuff which I'll add on to the end of this video. Like I've got stuff from there to try as well, so it'll either be the duck or trying something out of that haul. But like I say, it's Easter, so I'm not sure when I'll be uploading next. But that's what I'll do, guys, I'll show you. Oh, and I got something that's been quite viral on TikTok, and I've never seen them in there before. I'll say bye now for this. This is the end. I'll skip to the haul. Okay, so see you 2 seconds. Right, so this is the store called Hiyu. It's our local, well, in Newcastle, Asian supermarket. But I'll tell you, this viral TikTok thing, I've never seen these. Have you seen these? The mango pancakes. Look them up on TikTok or YouTube and you'll see what they are. Lovely mango flavoured pancake or crepe filled with lovely sweet cream. I think bits of cake are in there and real mangoes. Oh, they look lovely, but I froze mine because obviously I wasn't doing the video straight away and they need to be eaten on that day, so I froze mine ready so they'll be nice and fresh when I do it. I love these. I got 1 pack last time I was there. These are the cheesy rice cakes, so I got 2 of them while I was there. Really nice. It's like a lovely mozzarella kind of flavour cheese. Really, really nice. So I'm going to do loads of like extra cheese on top with samyang sauce. 2 of them. These were, I'm sure they were chicken. Oh no, pork soup dumplings. Gotta love a soup dumpling because they're also going viral, aren't they? And they also pour the chili crisp oil over them, so that's the one I got. Chili crisp oil. Oh no, I've been asked a few times to make some recipes with gochujang, so I got some of that, if that's how you pronounce it. I had to get another bottle while I was there. I've still got a bottle and a half, but every time I'm there I have to pick one up. Samyang sauce, the black hot chicken flavour, the best flavour. Some spring roll wrappers just to keep them in my freezer, and I got these little wrappers because I want to make some more crab rangoons. So yeah, that's my little haul from there. So I suppose I bought this little haul instead of any clothing for myself. And that's the receipt there. All that came to £27.84. But plenty in for future videos. So like I say, I'll either be doing the stuff I've already had with the duck, or I might be doing some soup dumplings, or I don't know. But who wanted the duck, we'll be getting it soon in the next couple of videos, I would imagine. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. That butter chicken, definitely try it. It's super, super nice. Have a have a wonderful Easter. Enjoy your lovely time off work if you're off over the bank holiday and stuff. Be safe, and thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of future uploads. I love you all. Thanks for watching. Bye.